I've got my Yeti. We're gonna fill it with snow, and we're gonna see if I can take some snow from Minnesota, get it all the way out to California so they can have some snow. All right, good morning. Just hung up these shelves, which is gonna be part of a larger video on this whole bathroom remodel. I'm putting up these shelves. I got 2 more to hang, and then I'm rolling on out of here. We're headed for North Dakota on our next stop. All right, pieces are all cut. I'm gonna put some adhesive on and stick them up. Whoa! Shelves are up. Had to cut these caps off so they would sit on, but got that trim piece on. Got a trim piece on there in that corner. This bathroom is a wrap. Woo! I'm going from Minnesota all the way to California, and as you can see, we are quickly running out of snow, and my guess is that the part of California I'm going to, there's no snow. I've got my Yeti. We're gonna fill it with snow, and we're gonna see if I can take some snow from Minnesota, get it all the way out to California so they can have some snow. Minnesota snow going in. So we're gonna have to pack it in pretty good. There we go. Come on. There we go, nice and tight from the cap. We got our Minnesota snow. We're taking the long way home because shortcuts miss the view. We'll see you in California. Day 2 in the truck. Next stop, Jamestown, North Dakota area. Got my best bud who farms over in that area, so I'm gonna stop at his place. We're gonna fix the water heater. We're gonna grout his tile, maybe just hang out a bit, and then we're gonna keep on heading west. So, first stop though, it's 12:30, so that means lunchtime and coffee. Forgot to bring in the camera. I gotta get better at recording more things that I do. But we got lunch. Taco John's, potato Olays. Can't beat them. We're gonna grab coffee.
Hi, thanks for stopping in to pick the coffee. We'll get started for you.
I'll take a large iced, vanilla latte, please.
Anything else for you?
That'll do it. Thank you.
It's a little rush.
Yeah,
Probably took me a little bit.
that's a problem. Should be 7 there. You by yourself? Oh, that's always fun. All right, thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Coffee circular. Just had to make a stop at the old DMV. I had to update the title on this one. And then on the other one, I needed to get it switched over to my name, complete the purchase and sale and all that good stuff. All right, next stop is the farm. Here we go. This is what we call service. It's a little bit muddy out here. Look at that, right up to the door. All right, time to bring the truck in and fix that water heater. Welcome to day 2 evening in the camper here. Replaced my water heater. Getting bed mode set up. So starting tonight, at least for the next 4 nights here, I'll be sleeping in this, and then I'll figure out kind of my long-term setup of where I'm going to sleep and how I'm going to be. But for the next 3 nights on the road, if everything works out like I'm hoping it will, I will be sleeping in the camper. I got to leave enough room here for those 2 totes. So as long as those can fit here, I'll pull the bed out as far as I can. And then that way when I pull over for a night, I can just climb in here, lay down. I'm gonna fill up my water tank so I'll have water in my sink, brush my teeth, wash my hands, whatever I need to do in here, that'll be nice. Maybe I'll take some showers in a parking lot, we'll see. We ain't gonna be cold on the trip. Rocking the wool blanket. It's bedtime. The bed is set. The first of many nights in the camper. We'll see you all in the morning for day 3. Good night.